Welcome to MATLAB. You are on your journey to discover distributive property of multiplication over addition. Distribute means to give out. That is, we will discover distributing multiplication over the sum or addition of two numbers. You are provided with a lab observation sheet and two sets of rectangular dot grids. Use your first set. Paste the first rectangular grid in the space provided. Right here we have pasted the first rectangular grid. To calculate the number of rows, count the number of horizontal lines of dots you have. So right here we have 5 rows. To find the number of columns, count the vertical lines of dots you have. So you have 7 columns. The total number of dots is given by rows into columns. So we have 5 rows into 7 columns, that is 35 dots. Now cut your dot grid along the length. Cut the second dot grid along the length. So right here I am going to cut it here. So what do I have? I have 2 rectangles. My first rectangle has 5 rows and 4 columns, and my second rectangle has 5 rows and 3 columns. My first rectangle will have 5 into 4 dots. The second would have 5 into 3 dots. Note your observations. You are just about to discover distributive property of multiplication over addition. Remember, we use 2 identical rectangular grids. So the total number of dots, that is 5 into 7, that is 35. Remember that 5 into 7 is the first rectangle which was not cut. The second had 5 into 4 dots. The third had 5 into 3 dots. So can I say 5 into 7 is equal to 5 into 4 plus 5 into 3? Have I not distributed multiplication? Right here I shall mark multiplication over addition. Distributive property helps us in quick calculations. Have fun discovering more about distributive property.